Tasha, you gonna come down the stairs, baby girl? Yum, yum, yummy. You want bacon? You want bacon? Come on. Come on.
Tasha, baby.
You know how much bacon's on the second step?
Probably a lot.
Come here. Yum, yum, yummy.
Let me see one. The bag is practically empty.
I know. Look, yum, yum, yummy. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Tasha.
Come here.
Ow! Bite me.
Come on.
It's right here.
You got two of them. Come on. Come on. Look. There's another one. And a biscuit. On the second step. Right here. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go downstairs.
So if we ever get a tornado, I'm going to have to carry both dogs downstairs. No, because I can use Tasha with the leash. Come back here.
Come on, Tasha.
Do you want to see if we can get him down with the leash?
Come on, Mickey. No. Come on. Like they back away, like they seen a shadow or something. You know what I mean? Like they seen a monster.
Oh!
You
took
take it
it
out of your hand?
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, look, you guys ran away like little chicken shits.
Because they're funny.
Now I like these. You want this? Come on. You want this? Come on. Come on down.
I'm stepping on doggy treats.
Come on down. Yum, yum, yummy, Tasha. Tasha. You want it? Come get it. Yum, yum, yummy.
Mickey!
Maybe. Come on. You want yum, yum, yummy? You want yum, yum, yummy? Come here.
I'm going to lay at the top of the step.
Here's yum, yum, yummy. She's trying to put on her pout face. Come on.
Look how
Come on.
Mickey is.
Oh. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Ran away again.